Hey guys, if you want to save, a little extra on your next DoorDash order, guys, adding a promo code is actually easy, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. All right, so step number one, guys, actually, just open up the DoorDash app. Right, start by opening the DoorDash app on your phone and log in into your account. Then what you want to do, guys, you want to actually just select your items. So you want to browse through the menu and choose the items you actually want to order. And once you're ready, just ready to check out, just tap out on the checkout button. Just so tap on the checkout button, and then what you're gonna do is just fill in your delivery details, right? And then just move to the payment section, right? Then here in the payment section, what you can do, guys, is you want to click on add promo code. Click on add promo code. You'll see a box basically labeled a promo code or enter promo code. You want to tap on it and just enter your code here. And then once you're done, just tap on apply. All right. Then you actually just want to check your savings. After you applying the promo code, your discount will actually be shown on the screen. All right. And make sure everything actually looks good and your total actually reflects the savings. And then you just want to complete your order. So once you're actually happy with the total, what you want to do, guys, is just go ahead and complete your order by selecting your preferred payment method. And that's it, guys. You have successfully added a promo code on a DoorDash and saved some cash, right? Guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Enjoy your meal, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.